Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So today I'm going to share another course, a free coupon course about this JIT course. So this course title is JIT from Basic to Advanced Practical Guide for Developers, and after completing this course you can learn about JIT and learn the key concepts of JIT and how to work with GitHub. Like that you can earn lot of skills and knowledge about JIT and concepts of JIT like that. If you are a IT industry worker or a student, this course is very good, very useful for that works. So let's see how to get this course for free of charge. So guys, this course is only valid for first 1000 students who are enrolling with this course using this coupon, and this course is only valid for limited time period also, and after that 1000 limit this course will be expired. And I'm not the only one who are sharing these free coupons, therefore enroll with these courses immediately using these coupons. If you missed this chance already, don't worry, there are plenty of courses are available in future, therefore make sure to keep in touch with our latest videos and make sure to subscribe our channel. So first of all, you need to copy the link that I provided in the comment section, or you can copy the code. This is the code. This is also I will provide it in description. You need to copy the code, and then you need to log to your Udemy account. Now you can see I am now logged to my Udemy account, and open a new tab. Paste that link, press enter. So you can see now coupon is added automatically to this course, and you need to add to cart, the add to cart button, and then you need to go to your cart. Now you can see my cart is free. Now click for checkouts and press the enroll now button. Now I can enroll in this course for free of charge. So that's guys how to, and that's the method how to enroll with these courses for free of charge using this coupon. So after completing this course you can get a certificate of completion by Udemy. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to keep in touch with our latest videos. This coupon, if you missed this chance already, don't worry, there are plenty of coupons available in future.